So taking a look here in question number 3, it says, which of the following is a vertex of the equation given? And they give me an equation that's in factored form. Well, I know that a vertex has to have an x and a y. I also know that the vertex of a parabola is going to be halfway between the x-intercepts. So I need to figure out what's halfway between the x-intercepts. Well, I know that this right here, if I set it equal to 0, would tell me what one of the intercepts is. And I know that this right here, if I set it equal to 0, would tell me what the other x-intercept is when I solve both of these for x. Now, as an example here, I'm not saying that these are the correct answers, but just for example, if I got that my x-intercepts were at x equals 3 and at x equals 5. Again, these green numbers are not the correct answers. Here's how I would figure out where the halfway point is. I would say, okay, to find the halfway point between 3 and 5, I would say 3 plus 5, and then divide by 2. Well, 3 plus 5 is 8, divide by 2 is 4. This would tell me the vertex x-coordinate. Okay, so that would tell me what this is right here, just this number. To figure out what the vertex y is, the y value, what I would do is take whatever number I got here for x, right here, and I would plug it back in to the original equation right here, because it says that y is equal to this. So my vertex y, if this is 4, I would just say it's 4 plus 5 times 4 plus 13, and do all of the appropriate multiplication to figure out what x and y is. And then I could say, oh, well, A has an x and a y. Does it match what I got? B has an x and a y. Does it match what I got? And so on.